Hello, I'm Diego. Today I will be unboxing Science Utility Vehicle by Learning Resources. In the box I found this truck which has two LED lights powered by two AAA batteries which are not included, and has a magnifier which goes up and down, and the wheel spins. And then you can go and explore the grass with the magnifying glass. So there's a hole in the bottom where the insects go, and you can see them by pressing here. To get the white light, you turn to where the white light is, at the white light. So there. And for the red light, you turn here and there, like that. Then you put it in the middle to turn off. I'm going to try with this rock, meteorite rock, but it's not included in the set, it's mine. So, I'm going to put it here, I'm going to put the truck on top, and open up. Don't know which colour I'm going to do random. Let's see. Oh, cool. Then with this back part here, you can turn the magnifier glass up and down to get the more zoomed in and the less zoomed in. So here we go, I'm going to show you. So I'll put the white light on, and here we go. You can zoom in and zoom out like that. And now I'll put the red light on like that. With the dim light you can see better like this with the light of the truck, and with the red light you can see better how the rock is made and what is made of and what rock it is. It's better like this. But it's exactly the same. This educational toy is called GeoSafari Junior Science Utility Vehicle, and you can take it out to the park day or night. It is suitable for 3+. Even when you finish doing all your bugs testing and stuff, you can even play with it, like a car.